opinion.
That is just... mwah.
This was worth a 14-hour drive from Belgium.
Just on its own.
Yeah, you'd come just for this. Well, hello there.
Hey, so we're at the Gorges.
Yes, we are at the Tolmin Gorges, near Tolmin in the Soca Valley. And from what I've seen on the pictures, it's gonna be gorgeous. Whoa, these. And you say wow, and this is just the start. Gorgeous!
Currently, the average temperature of the river here is 5 to 9 degrees. However, there's a warm spring just in that little cave over there. And that is up to 20 degrees centigrade that comes out of that one. And guess what they call the bridge going over it? The Devil's Bridge. It's always the devil in them caves, isn't it?
Opinion.
That is just... mwah. I honestly thought that of the pictures I saw that they faked the colors because they were so vibrant and so blue, like really light blue. But it's exactly like that. It's amazing. Like, look at the color here. It's like... oh. Behind me is Dantes Cave, and apparently there's a really big cave complex, about 1,200 meters long and about 41 meters deep. And it is said that in the 14th century, at some point, some local nobleman hosted the famous Dante in his palace thing. They went on this massive hike, it took him into the caves, and it supposedly inspired Dante to write a bit about hell in the Divina Commedia. Not sure if it's very true. I'm sure there's more caves that are gonna try to claim that one, but yeah, why not? Let's have a look. So that's the entrance of the cave complex, but can't go in there unless you have a seriously experienced guide with you and you pay an entrance ticket and things like that, because it is highly protected, because unusual, blah blah blah, natural importance, stuff like that. Very understandable. Also, I would not go in there That's not true. I probably would try for a little bit.
And look at that view.
I know, right? That was awesome.
Yeah, I think this was worth the 14-hour drive from Belgium.
Just on its own.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you'd come just for this. If this alone makes the vacation a success. This was spectacular, absolutely spectacular. I don't think the video will do it justice.
No, the colors were just wow.
Yeah, it's so vivid. Yeah, I'm just, there's no words. And how beautiful this was. I'm so happy we did this. And you can look up the pictures online, and there's amazing pictures online from this place, and you think, yeah, but it's never as good in real life. This is as good in real life.
Yeah. They didn't play with
Absolutely.
separation, they didn't play with colors, it just really is that pretty.
Yeah. Off to the next destination. Okay, we've got our picnic lunch. Taking out. And look at our view! This is spectacular. This is just by the road. Picnic! How's your lunch?
Gorgeous.
Where are we going, Niels?
On a hike to a slap.
What's a slap?
Slap is a waterfall apparently in Slovenia.
Niels, can you believe the color of the water here?
I couldn't believe it before, I still can't believe it now.
I mean, we're seeing it with our own eyes, and it's... How? This perfect aquamarine! This place is still beautiful. This is unbelievable. I mean, it's hard to tell where the water begins. It's so freaking clear.
It's a lot closer than you think.
It starts here. You can tell by the reflections, but I think it feels fairy tale-y here. Was it worth €5?
It was worth €5.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
I mean, it's nice how they use the money to get here to maintain the paths and have like benches around it, and there's no litter around. And it's clean, it's safe. So yeah, I'd rather pay €5 for a route like this than have it free and not be safe and dirty.
Yep.
Yeah. Good. Well done, Slovenia.